The world of content creation is changing fast, and whether you're an online tutor, a YouTuber, a student, or someone trying to build a site, also, one thing is clear: you need a tool that helps you record and edit videos quickly, professionally, and without stress. And that's where Wondershare DemoCreator comes in. It's an all in one screen recorder and video editor packed with AI powered tools to make your life easier. Unlike other tools that make you record in one app or edit in another, Demo Creator gives you everything in one place. You can record your screen, webcam, and audio simultaneously, perfect for tutorials, presentations, and even training videos. And then what really makes Demo Creator stand out is the fact that it has smart AI features, starting with the inbuilt teleprompter, so you never have to memorize lines. It also offers auto captioning, which means no more manually typing of subtitles. You don't need to go through the stress of typing all what you said in the video. Automatically, your captions is going to come out for you using Demo Creator. And then you can remove your background without a green screen, which is actually very outstanding compared to several other tools out there. You can apply voice effects and even use their avatar presenters if you don't want to be on camera. And then once you're done recording, the built-in video editor helps you polish your content with ease, helps you to erase any errors in your videos. You don't have to go to the stress of, going through your own videos yourself. Automatically, it's going to help you polish your content easily. And then you can add transitions, effects, cursor highlights, annotations, music, and more, all with simple and drag and drop actions. Even if you're a beginner, you can produce high quality videos in just minutes. If you're a teacher, a course creator, or even a coach, Demo Creator is a game changer for you. You can record full lessons, edit them right away, and upload directly to YouTube, Google Drive, or even your LMS. For YouTubers and online marketers, it's also a great alternative to Camtasia, offering similar features at a more affordable price. And then to simply get started, all you just have to do is to head to the site democreator.wondershare.com. And as you guys can see, this is their homepage right now. And then you're looking at the homepage, you can see record like a pro, edit with AI at ease. And then to try it for free, all you have to do is to just simply click on this, or then 15% off for Mother's Day, which is currently as at the time we're recording this video. But then to simply just get started, just click on the free download over here. And then once you click on free download over here, you'll be taken to the page where they're going to show you how to properly install it. Now you can see you want to open, all right, and then you want to allow to install, and finally install. And then you just want to install it. So now all you have to do is just wait for the downloading to be done, and then you wait for the installation. And now as you guys can see, after installing, you'll be brought to the main homepage for Demo Creator. Now you can simply log in here or create your own account. Just click on login here. Alright, and then once you click on login, you just want to continue with either your Google account, Facebook, or Twitter, or you can as well just insert your email address as well as the password. But then I'm going to continue with my Google account, right? So I'm going to click on Google over here, and then you just want to click on, account, alright? And once you click on your account, automatically it's going to sync all your data for Demo Creator, and that's it. Okay, so continue, and we are good. All right, now we can head back to Demo Creator homepage. As you guys can see, login successful. All right, so now we're inside with our accounts. Okay, I can just click on OK over here. And now let's start with the video recorder. So you just want to click on video recorder. All right, so once you click on video recorder, as you guys can see, what exactly would you like to record? I just love Demo Creator. It makes it so smooth and well optimized. So you can see, is it going to be your screen, your camera, audio, video presentation, virtual avatar, games, all right? But then let's just go for our screen for the sake of today's tutorial, all right? So you want to click on screen. As you guys can see, I'm even inside the video already, and you can see it's showing us the angle that is going to be captured. You can as well expand it if you want. As you guys can see, you can expand it to the entire screen. All right, if you want, you can drag it down, and all you have to do is just start, by clicking on record. And then we have certain icons over here, starting with the teleprompter. Once you click on teleprompter, it's gonna make all you have to say easy for you. All you have to do is to just type in all what you want to say in the video, and then you don't have to suffer from the problems of forgetting what you want to say. You can just type it here. I can just say, hi, welcome to Demo Creator video. And then let's say I'm okay with this. For example, let's say I'm okay with welcome to DemoCreator video. All I have to do is to, I can import it so as to just support for, the text file itself, or I can just click on play over here. So it's going to be guiding me. As you guys can see, I can type in all what I want to say, and while I'm making my video, while I'm recording, I'm going to be seeing all the text itself. Just to make it even easier for you guys, I can even say welcome and welcome. All right, and then if I play, let's say I start making my video, hi, welcome to DemoCreator, welcome and welcome. So as you guys can see, this feature is amazing. And then aside the teleprompter itself, we have the magic tools. These tools are just amazing. Once you click on magic tools over here, you can see the area for smart zoom. All right, you can go for this. As you guys can see at the right hand side, it's showing you how it works. Smart zoom. Let's say you're talking about something and you want it to zoom in that particular thing in the video. Here is smart zoom. It's going to make it a whole lot easier for you. We also have the cursor highlight. As you guys can see over here, turn screen recordings into high catching videos. Okay, so cursor highlight is going to highlight your cursor itself. All right, it's going to bring in some colors, some lightings around the cursor just to show your audience what exactly you're talking about. Same thing applies with the show hotkeys. Let's say you need hotkeys to make your work even easier, you can as well come here to get some of them. And then we have the AI voice cleaner, which is going to ensure your voice is very smooth and very clean. No matter the noise in the background, it's going to help you make your voice a whole lot more efficient and well optimized. And then once you're done with recording, let's say you're okay with recording, you just simply have to come here to exit, and then you're being brought back to the home page. And now for editor, let's say you're ready to edit your video. All you have to do is just click on video editor, just like you did for the video recorder, and then it's going to take you to the area, the workspace for the editor itself. So now this is where you want to get started. So let's say you have your video already recorded, so you can click on this over here, just click here. All right, and then it's going to direct you to your folders where you have all your videos. So you just want to select the particular video you want to edit. Okay, let's say we're going to use this one. As you guys can see, now we have our video here. Now the next thing to do is to simply drag it down here. And now once you finally added the recording, that is the video you want to use, at the top left you have several options to select from. Starting from audio effects, you just want to click on audio effect. Let's say you want to add several audios at several locations of the video. All you have to do is to select the area and then come here to the audio effects, starting with the AI voice changer. If you want to use the AI voice changer, you can as well select it. If you want to use the denoise feature, and then if you just want to add certain voice effects, you can as well do all that over here. You just want to select it, and then from there you can proceed with what you want to use. And then same thing applies to the cursor effect as well, which we talked about. Let's say you want to highlight your cursor, so whatever you're showing, people can actually see that, oh, this is what this person is showing me clearly, with the use of the glow, the spotlight, rings, magnify, and the other feature, which is basically the click sound. All right, which is actually amazing. You wouldn't really see this in several softwares out there. And then same thing applies to the pan and zoom as well. All right, let's say you want to zoom certain parts of the video while you're recording, or while you're showing your audience your video. This particular feature is going to help you zoom in into what exactly you're teaching them at that time, which is actually very effective because it's saving you a whole lot of time. You don't have to go through the stress of editing it one by one. All you just have to do is to select the one you're okay with. For example, you just want to click on this, hold it down, and then drag it to the area you want to use it. So as you guys can see, I dragged it there, and then if I play this area, affordable price, as you guys can see, it zoomed it very fast, which is actually amazing. And then we have several others over here. You can see the transitions, brand kit, and several, like this annotation. For example, if you come here to annotations, all right, once you click on annotations, it's gonna, let's say you're making the video and you want them to see a particular area with the use of circles, lines, whatever it might be. All you just have to do is to click on it. You can click on this plus icon, and then it's gonna add it to that particular area of the video. So as you guys can see, by this right now, get started. You can see, and then to simply carry it, just select it and carry it to the area you want it to make the annotation, which is amazing, guys. This is amazing. And then we also have the area for the auto subtitle, which is going to save you a whole lot of stress while editing your video. This is it over here. As you guys can see, this is where we have the auto subtitle. All you just have to do is to click on it. All right, and then once you click on it, you just have to click on alter subtitle over here. And in case you still want to type it, you can come here for manual. In case you want to import the subtitle itself, just click on import subtitles. But then what we're basically concerned about here is the alter subtitle itself. So you want to click on alter subtitle, and then you want to select the language. If it's going to be English or any other language, you just want to select it. So I'm okay with United States English, and then you can as well click on this automatically identify and highlight keywords, which makes it even amazing, because in case of the periods where you said something very key, it's going to help you highlight it and show your audience. And then once you're done with all this, all you have to do is to click on start over here. And then once you click on start, what is going to happen now is for you to just wait a bit for it to transcribe and then apply it to your video. And as you guys can see, it has done the auto subtitle for us. If I zoom this in properly for you guys to see, you're going to see it. You can see over here we have the subtitle at the bottom. Let me just make it full screen. All right, as you guys can see, Camtasia offering similar features alternative at a more affordable price. This is actually amazing. Install it. This is amazing. As you guys can see, it's actually whitish. In case you want to edit the color itself, you just want to click on it and then change the color. You can see this is where we have the write-ups itself. Okay, so you can come here to settings. Once you come here to settings, you can as well change the color so you can actually see it clearer. All right, so for example, I change this to purple. As you guys can see, now it's there, and then you can edit it to the way you're actually okay with. And finally, once you're done with your video editing, to simply export, you just want to come here to the top right where you have export. You want to click on it, and then once you click on the export icon, you're basically good to go. So here you can, rename the project to whatever you want to name it. I can name it KitKat, and then you want to select the format, aspect ratio, the project resolution, and finally the resolution quality. Do you want it to be high? Do you want it to be middle or normal? Once you've selected this, you can see it's going to show you the size based on what you've done. And once you're finally okay with whatever you're doing, you can as well just come here to export. All right, and once you click on export, your video is going to be processed. All right. And then in addition to this exportation, there is a unique feature called the batch export. Imagine you creating a course for students or for people, and then in that particular video, you made it a one video, but it's made up of several important information. With the use of this batch export, you can actually divide the video into several videos for the course, so that you have, okay, this is part one, this is part two. Maybe the first 1 minute was actually part one, basically maybe an introduction to the course. Let's say the first 2 to 3 minutes was about how to get started. You can as well divide it with the use of this feature without having to do it outside. So for example, if I click on export over here again, all right, and then you can see batch export over here. Once you click on batch export over here, all you have to do, as you guys can see, is to go to the area that is the segment. As you guys can see, this is actually amazing. This is amazing. So you want to click on go to timeline segment, and then you want to select the area you want to be, maybe part one. All right, if I scroll here over here, all right, so you want to click on this. So this is going to be part one, for example, and then let's say this is going to be part two. All right, this is going to be part three of the course, and then so on and so on. Then once you're finally done, all you have to do is come here and click on batch export, and then you have your videos separated. So once you're uploading on whatever platform you want to upload the course material on, you'll be uploading it by part. This is actually very amazing. And another amazing feature we have here is the SRT exportation. In case you want to export the text file itself, that is your subtitle, all you just have to do is to just click on it. All right, once you click on it, you're going to come here to the area of subtitles. All right, you're going to come here where you have subtitles. So this is where all the subtitles itself are. And now once you finally come here, you're going to see this icon over here where you have export subtitle. So all you just have to do is to click on it, and then once you click on it, all your subtitles is going to be exported as a document file, and then you can use it on whatever platform you want to use it on. And in addition to all this, for the area for the video recording, there is another amazing feature called the window video or video recording feature. Now with this particular window recording feature, you don't have to worry of you recording your screen and then moving from one place to another. with this particular feature, once you select the window you want to record, it's only going to be focused on that particular window. This is it over here in the recording area. So you want to click on select windows. This is the icon over here, and then you want to select the particular window you want to use, you want to record. So if it's going to be demo creator, for example, once I select it, it's only going to be recording this particular window no matter what. And then you guys can see this is actually amazing. And now if you come back here to the home page of Demo Creator, you can see aside the video recorder, video editor, we have AI clip generator, auto subtitle, text to speech, and then another amazing feature, AI text-based editing. This is actually going to help you remove text that are not necessary, even filler words that are not necessary, to ensure that your words, your videos, your wordings, whatever you see in your video is actually very, very smooth. All you just have to do is just click on it over here, and then you want to add the particular video you want to apply this feature on. So it's going to be this one. So automatically once you add it, it's going to help you analyze all what you said in the video, the things that are not necessary. It's going to help you remove it, and then that's basically it. So you just have to click on OK over here and then wait for the magic, and that's basically it. And then once it's done, you can as well go ahead with exporting your video. You can as well listen to the video, to see the magic the AI to actually did, and then from there you can export your video. So as you guys can see, it has brought out all the the text, and then it has even removed all the unnecessary parts already. It has removed everything already. And in case you still want to clean the voice, you can as well click on this. All right, in case you still want to click, clean the voice. But then once you're finally done, as you guys can see, it has actually removed. You can see 3 silent sections already. It has actually removed 3 silent sections that actually trimmed the unnecessary parts of the wordings. And once you're finally done, once you're satisfied, you can as well listen to it. Once you're satisfied with every aspect of the video, you just want to click on export to timeline. Now this is what you're now going to be using in your video editing platform. And then from there, if you're still okay, or if you still want to add things to it, you can as well add it. And finally, you can come here to export, and there you have it. So if you're serious about creating professional videos faster and smarter, Wondershare DemoCreator is 100% worth trying. Trust me, you all need to try out this creator, all right? And then for you to simply get started, you can click on the link in the description to try it for free, and then you can see how it can simplify your workflow. This is something that you must have, especially in 2025, because it makes your video work a whole lot easier. So let me know down in the comment section how you plan to use it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tools and tutorials. And I'll see you all in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.